Good morning, everyone. Thank you for joining with me tonight. How are you today? I'm so excited to share to you the opportunity. You know, this is the second time. No, this is the second seminar of the year, and I hope everyone is doing great. And before we dive into tonight's presentation, I would like to greet our guests tonight. Si Claire, no, Claire, thank you for joining with us. Si Danica, and we have here Infinix, no X6532, and Josephine from Balamban, Cebu, no, si Mai from Danao City, and we have here Maricel from just across, no, si sa Mandaue. Now we have Alex, then we have Miss Nova here, we have Oppo A12, then Oppo CPH2 2591, no, then we have Realme RMX3910. No? And Sheila is also here. Hello, Sheila. And Rowie, no, my roommate, is also here. Then TechnoSpark, no, TechnoSpark Go 2. Yan. Thank you for being here. And if you still have more guests that is coming, please inform them that the Zoom room is already open, and hopefully they will be able to catch up. Okay? So to those who have different names, kindly write your name na lang, no? You can edit it para magkailat. Anyway, before I before I start sharing to you the opportunity tonight, I would like to introduce myself. I will be your presenter. I am Jofrin Villasencio, and I am residing here right now in Cordova, Cebu. No? So, in fact, I've been in the business for quite a long time already, no, since 2015. So that's why I'm so excited na ako ni siyang i-share ang opportunity to all of you. And this is what I am doing right now, together with my family, of course, and of course, no, together with my colleagues in here also. So we're excited, and before we start, I would like to invite everyone in a short word of prayer. So, shall we bow down our heads and close our eyes and let's pray? Lord, thank you, God, for tonight. Thank you for the time that you have allowed us to gather here online. Father, we pray and ask for your wisdom and your knowledge, oh God, that we may be able to understand and comprehend the message that will be shared tonight. I pray, oh Lord, that the opportunity that will be shared and unveiled tonight will be an opportunity that would bring an impact to each and every one of us. So, God, bless everyone that is here. Give us a good internet connection, O Lord. And I pray, O God, that whatever things that may prosper tonight, we give you all the praises and glory in your name. Amen and amen. Okay, now just like what you are seeing right now on the screen, now you have seen there D818 Premier Properties Incorporated. Now that's exactly the whole company name that I would like to introduce to you. Ang shortcut ana is actually DPPI. Now D818 actually was established last or way back July 29, 2019 here in the city of Lapu-Lapu. Actually, just right before the onset of pandemic. Well, what you have there in screen is our legalities, no, ang ato ang Securities and Exchange Commission, our BIR registration, our local business permit, and of course, our registration from DHSUD. Now, let me introduce you to the management team of the company. These are the people behind, no, the success story of each and every individual partners that we have here. Now, to begin with, I would like to introduce you to Mr. Herminihildo B. Roylo, or commonly, among tawag sa iya is si Sir Boy. Now, he is a certified public accountant. At the same time, he is our managing broker. Together with Sir Boy is our president, Mr. Franz Villasencio, na who handles the online training and the digital distribution. Together with Franz is our vice president. and our Chief Finance Officer is Miss Juliet Plania, who administers the office and at the same time heads our uh, the distribution of the releases of our commission. And together with Miss Van Allen Osaraga, a real estate broker at the same time, she is our business office manager and at the same time the corporate secretary of the corporation. These are the team who helps and support us in our endeavor every single day, making everything possible, making things easy for us. So, basig one of these days, makabisit mo sa office and you will be able to meet them in person. No? In person. Okay? Now, D818 Premier Properties Incorporated, the D818 there, we took it from a Bible verse. No? It came from Deuteronomy chapter 8, verse 18, and it says there, "You shall remember the Lord your God, for it is God who gives you the ability to get wealth, that he may confirm his covenant that he swore to your fathers as it is this day." Then atong gi-highlight diha ang it is God who gives you the ability to get wealth, because here in our company we recognize, aside though we have gifts natay mga tagsa-tagsa nga mga skills and talent, but we mainly recognize that everything that we have achieved here is a byproduct of God's blessing, and it is God who gives us the ability para makabaligya ta, para makabuild ta sa atuang business, and that's why we honor him every single day sa atuang life dinhi sa atuang business endeavor. Okay? Now, the vision of the company actually is to be the premier realty firm built on innovation, excellence, and of course, empowerment. And together with that, we want to achieve this having this mission. No mo itong mission to honor God in our business by delivering professionalism, strong relationships, innovation, and empowered people. Together, we come up with our core values. And our core values is presented in the acronym DPPI. It stands for discipline, passion, perseverance, and integrity. Now, dili lang kayo na ko siya i-dig much deeper because we have a separate training that deals on our core values, but I would like to share lang two of these, no? The other one is discipline. Importante ang disiplina, it's because in all of our transaction here, since wala man tay employee-employee relationship, our time is not, wala po tay time in and time out, then we need to be disciplined in all of those things, no? If we have an early appointment, then therefore we should not be late. If we have transaction, if we promise to our client, then we should give, no, or we should deliver. So para nako kining discipline, this is a make or break po ni siya for the one, for person who wanted to succeed. The other equally important one is integrity. Now, pwede kang disiplinado, pwede kang doon na kay passion, pwede kang porsigido. Pero kung wala ka aning gitawag na tong integridad, bagsak yung kani. Kining integridad, mauni ang mga butang na mo pamatuod sa atong kinaiya. Labi na sa mga higayon na walay gatanaw nato. Integrity tali sa mga buluhaton na ma-deliver nato ang atong gipangsaad, but most importantly, integrity is labi na dinhi sa kwarta. Kung dunay kwarta na dili atua, therefore dili gid siya dapat hilabtan. Kay dili man atua, di ba? The moment na imo nang buhaton, labi na atong kinabuhi, isip usa ka negosyante is to receive money jud. And if we understand that that money was never been ours, then definitely dapat di gid mo siya hilabtan kay dili man imuha. So that's integrity, no? Usa ka sipyat ana, mabandilyo jud ang atong pangalan. Yun. Labi na karon sa henerasyon sa social media. Now, our business is in the business of real estate. In simple definition, real estate refers to the land and all those items which are attached to the land. So apil dinhi ang house and lot, mga condominium, mga commercial complex, no? Og dili lang kana siya, apil pa gani ang gitawag natong mga memorial gardens or in common terminology, mao ni ang ato ang cemetery. So that form parts of the real estate. So grabe ka wide ang ato ang real estate. Pero the question, kay daghan magug kayong negosyo no, kini nag-offer man tag opportunity. Yes, tinuod. Daghan kayong oportunidad sa gawas, daghan kayo ang negosyo na pwede nato pilion, pero ang question, nganong real estate man? Nganong dili naman lang kumupili atong uban na masayon pa? Well, I have my reasons, no? And I would like to share to you my personal reason, no? Ako ning personal reason. And I believe this is a vital reason na makapahinguklog nato tagsa-tagsa na murag nindot ni siya nga opportunity ha. So allow me to share no why real estate is a good business. Number one, nganong ni choose ko that real estate is a good business because it will give you passive income. Now, naay duha ka form of income kining gitawag nato active and passive. Active kining imong trabahoon unya makakwarta dayon ka, that's active. Passive is something long term. Now, ganahan kay ta og dunay passive because one day inig-retire nato, we want to live a substantial life. Inig-abot sa panahon na mo retire ta na edad-idara na ta, na di na kay ta makakayod. Gusto ta na atay continuous stream of income. And real estate can give you that. DPPI business can give you that. Because here, later on, akong i-explain sa inyo, akong ipakita, na there are ways in order for you to be able to build a long-term business that eventually gives you a long-term income as well. Okay? That's on the business side. On the other hand, the moment na mukita na kadinhi sa atong negosyo sa real estate, dili imposible dinhi na one day ikaw mismo, you will be able to invest on certain properties. Kanya kanang imong gi-invest, eventually pwede pud na nimo pagkakitaan by renting it out. So kana pud siya passive income pud na siya, quote unquote matawag na to as a business. So we encourage everyone, no? We really encourage everyone to really build their own portfolio. No? Kay sayang man sad pod, no? Sayang man sad pod kayo kung dili nato, no? Dili nato siya trabahoon, no? Dili nato trabahoon na mao man day ni at stake, no? Mao man day ni pwede natong ma-reward. Next is that real estate will protect our money against inflation. So unsa man ning inflation? Kining inflation man gud mo ni gitawag nato the buying power sa ato ang kwarta. Sama bitaw na kung ang imong kwarta karon nga usa ka libo, kung mamalit ka karon og grocery, siguro mga usa ka plastic bag na gamay. 5 years from now, kanang the same na usa ka libo, inig mamalit ka sa grocery, siguro katunga na lang sa plastic bag ang pwede nimo mapalit. So nawala ang iyahang buying power. No karon kung ang imong kwarta imong ibutang sa usa ka real estate na property or investment compared na ang imong kwarta imo siyang ibutang ngadto sa bangko, ang kwarta nimo nagibutang nimo sa property, let us say for example, ang usa ka property 1 million ang worth. Kanang 1 million nga worth of property, 5 years from now, kanang 1 million nga property dili na na siya 1 million. Nahimo na siyang 2 million ang value ana. So therefore, ang buying capacity sa imong 1 million nahimo nga 2 million. So meaning na protektahan ka against sa pag-us-us sa value sa kwarta. Okay? Na na in short, na save ka sa pag-devaluate sa money. Next is that of course it is a good collateral. If ngatunganhi one day gusto ka na mag-loan, well, real estate is a good collateral. Nindot ni siya nga gamiton nimo collateral because dako man ang iyang valuation, no? So dako ang imong ma-enjoy. Dako imong ma-enjoy nga loan proceeds. And next is that tangible. Makita nimo. This is something na pwede nimo hikapon. Gani, pwede nimo tuktukon, mapaminaw nimo. So, dili siya a promise of the future na giistoryahan lang ka, gisaaran ka niya, wala nimo makita. Kini, makita gini mo kay may yuta na may building. Tangible. And lastly, ang value sa real estate dili jud mo zero. Kung dili man ka milyonaryo kayo karon, inig-abot sa panahon, kanang gamay kapiranggot nga yuta na naa ka, one day will become millions worth of property. Dili gyud mo zero sama sa sakyanan. So therefore, para nako, it is a good means and ways or ways and means to build up one's wealth. So, in short, kung dinhi nga negosyo ka mo mututok or dinhi ka nga negosyo na mo kumbati gyud pag-ayo, promise igsoon, one day you will become a millionaire, no? Dili maingon ta na maadunahan kay ta, pero sure ko na you will have a better life, no? Now, because of this industry nga dako kayo, our government last June 29, 2009, nag-enact siya sa kabalaod kining Real Estate Service Act of the Philippines, ang Republic Act 9646, na ang objective ani maprotektahan ang consumer and at the same time maprotektahan pod ang katong mga namaligya. Because in the past, daghan kayo ang mga situation na ang usa ka buyer in town, quote-unquote, mailad sa iyahang mga gipampalit nga property. Nga doon na po'y mga cases in the past na katuin taong naningkamot na makabaligya og property, wala jud taon matagai og komisyon. Busa ningon ang government that we have to regulate it. This time it would be regulated under the PRC, no, the Professional Regulatory Board. Therefore, we will professionalize this. Thus, pwedeng muhatag og real estate service karon ang katunang gitawag na to og real estate brokers. Okay? Now, siguro karon na ikaw naminaw ka diha, probably you are thinking if pwede ka ako na wala man ko ka eskwela isip usa ka real estate broker. Now, the good news is this. Diha sa the same na balaod, in Section 32 of the Republic Act number 9646, dunay provision ang corporate practice of the real estate service na nag-ingon ang kana nga provision na as long as there is a company na naka-register sa Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, dili DTI, SEC jud ang gi-declare, and with a duly registered real estate broker na naa ana nga corporation, then kana nga corporation can engage into real estate services. In short, mauni ang nag-abli sa dalan that there will be more and more realty firms na mataw dinhi sa ato ang nasod. In fact, in Cebu City alone, there had been a number of realty firm. The last count I had was around 250 realty firms, combination of both small and big realty firms. So this is the good news, meaning you now can be part of this one big industry. So mura ratag under sa usa ka agency, ang aton transaction will be in behalf of the agency. Okay? So goods rata ana dapita. Now, how big is the Philippine real estate industry? Now, kung ikaw nagplano na mosulod og usa ka negosyo, dili jud ka mosulod og negosyo na pabagsak. And definitely, if you wanted to start a business, you are going to start a business na pasaka, no? In fact, the real estate business is growing, no? Growing. No, this is not last year, no? This is way back 2024, it was a 750 billion pesos na industry. No, 750 billion peso industry. Now, for 2025, I really don't have the idea. Sorry, hold on. In 2025, I really don't have that numbers yet, but the last one, if I'm not mistaken, when I browse it on Google, sa Google naman tamo adto, it's 94.4 billion. So pila man ka peso, dako kayo, no? It's trillion already. 94.4 billion dollars ang naa dito sa Google when I last searched it. I'm not sure if I had the right number, but kini na lang. Kini na lang sa 2024. 750 billion already. So ingon ana kadako ang ato ang opportunity, my friends. And if you have uh, take advantage of this opportunity, then definitely you are on a rising opportunity, no? Naa ka anang opportunity ha. Sorry. So I've received a chat here from my wife. It's 5.65 trillion pesos already. 5.65 trillion peso industry ang real estate nationwide. That's how huge it is. So, kung ikaw karon nagduha-duha ka if this is the business for you, can you just imagine if you can share a pie of that business, the 5.65 trillion peso business, na lang kay bisag 1/4 ana. That's still billions, my friend. No? So grabe kadako. Now, so much for the industry. So much to give you the excitement of that industry. Now, the next part that I'll be sharing to you is the question on how to start it. Siguro karon while you are listening there, probably curiosity is already running in your mind. Yes, sige Joff, nindot na siya. Yes, that's really exciting. But how do I start? No, how do I start my own business or in this business? But prior to going into that question or going deep into that question, I would like to ask. There are 31 people here in the Zoom room right now. I would just like to ask a very simple question. Unsa may rason nganong mahadlok ang tao mo start og business? Pwede na to ma-share diha sa ato ang chat box, no? Diha sa Zoom chat. Unsa man paminaw ninyo ang reason na nganong mahadlok ang tao mo start og business? Naningon si Sheila diri mahadlok malugi. Si Miss Nova ningon siya basin maskam or walay kapital. Ningon si Razel basin ma-fail, malugi unya. Well, tama naman sad. Ningon si Arjen di mo grow siguro, no? Di mo grow, sir. No, di mo dako. How about the rest? Unsa may paminaw ninyo na nganong mahadlok ang usa ka tawo musugod og usa ka negosyo? Then I will answer it. No? I will answer it. Basin wala tay padungan, sir, no? Ingon si my risk, no? Of course, no? Wa man gyud tayong ganahan og risk. What else? Oh, I mean, gamay ra man ni nag-share niya 31 man ta kabuok diri. Si Michelle Fondador says, basin mas scam or basin dili mo grow ang first business. Si Oppo A12, walay tarong na plan, sir. Si Glycel, malugi. Si Realme, mahadlok, mabankrupt. Yan. Mga valid ni siya nga mga reason. Mao jud siya mga common nga mga reason. Sige. Akong tagsa-tagsaon og answer. Para to give you a clear perspective in all of these, no? Si Miss Maricel, lack of knowledge and confidence. Sama to? Lack of knowledge and confidence. Yan. Fear of responsibility. Tinuod, ako jud ang responsibilidad. Si Razel basin, mahurot, trag utang. Especially og sari-sari ang business. Mausad. No? Si John Ray, ganahan silang easy money, maunang dili mo take risk in the business. Si Cyrene, competition. Sige. Mo answer ko. Ari kong sugod ni Samantoha. Ari kong sugod ni Sheila. Okay. Ningon si Sheila, mahadlok malugi. Now, I would like to break the news to all of you. In DPPI business, wala kay ipagawas nga kwarta. No? In DPPI business, wala kay ipagawas nga kwarta. The only investment that you are going to put here is your time and your effort. Now, kung mahadlok ka malugi, I believe that's about money. So, kay wala man kay ipagawas diri nga kwarta, so, check na ta. Di ba? Check na ta. Kay, wa man kay, di ka malugi. The only time na malugi ka dinhi kung muundang ka. That's the only time. Pero, kung sa kahadlok malugi, wa makikipagawas ng kwarta. So definitely, safe ra. Kanang time and effort, naaman na tanan. Whether mo trabaho ka, na time and effort. Kung magnegosyo ka sa sari-sari store, na time and effort. Bisag unsa nga negosyo, na time and effort. Okay? So dire safe. Okay ha? Si Miss Nova ningon siya basin maskam. Wala po'y kapital. So ako na natubag. So pwede ra gyud ning negosyoha kay wala may kapital. Sa arita sa isyu na maskam. Now asa man ka maskam nga wala man kay gibutang nga kwarta. Oh, di ba? So dili ka maskam kay wala man kay gibutang nga kwarta. Ikaduha, ang atong gibaligya nga property na gidevelop sa usa ka developer na dunay lisensya, license to sell. So meaning lisensyado ang maong property ni comply sa maong papeles, so wala kay angay kabalakan kay legit ang property na gibaligya. Wala sa kay gipagawas nga kwarta para makastart ani nga negosyo. So check na. Okay. Check na no. So kang Razel ingon siya basin ma-fail or malugi. So ako na siyang natubag. Asa man ka ma-fail? The only way ma-fail ka kung muundang ka. Di ka malugi kay wa makikwartang gipagawas. Ningon diri si Arjun Kasipong basin di mo grow. Kanang di mo grow, ikaw ang naaana nga control. Dili mo grow ang business kung dili nimo trabahoon. Sama ra sa nangempleyo ka, kung dili ka mo adto mo report sa trabahoan, maputbol gyud ka. Sakto dili? Di ba? Sakto. So therefore, kung ang question dili mo grow, angay siguro na kung ibalik nimo ang question. Dapat imong trabahoon para mo grow jud. The reason why we grow our business, because we put our time and effort and we work on it. Because dili man ni siya negosyo ni Juan or ni Pedro. Negosyo man ni Joffrin. Ako man ni negosyo. Dili po ni negosyo ni Joffrin or ni Nova, negosyo man ni Arjun. So si Arjun ang mo trabaho jud niini. If you want to grow it, di ba? So, in short, check na taan ni Jen, di ba? Anong giingon ni Trixie, basin wala tay padungan. Now, kining question nga wala tay padungan, murag ang angay mo tubag ana is ikaw Trixie. Ikaw man ang nakakita kung unsa ang gusto nimong makabot sa kinabuhi. Ikaw ang nakakita sa pangandoy na gusto nimong ihatag sa imuhang pamilya. So therefore, ikaw ang nakakita sa imong gustong padungan aning negosyoha. So karon, kay ikaw man ang nakakita sa padungan aning negosyoha, ikaw pod ang buhatag sa imong giya mataglakang so that you will reach your destination. A lot of people never reach the level of success because, quote-unquote, nagtuo sila na laing tao ang motrabaho para sa ilaha. Nagtuo sila na ang laing tao ang muguyod para nila. Unfortunately, our life is not like that. Ako, nakita nako ang needs sa akong family. Nakita nako ang panginahanglanon sa akong family. So therefore, kabalo ko unsay padungan sa ako ang kayod matag adlaw. Ang question akong ibalik nimo, Trixie. Unsa may nakita nimo aning negosyoha para sa imuhang pamilya? So, in short, kining nga question, check na taan eh. Di ba? Continue ta. Si Mai, ningon siya risk. Ako, ang rason na magtanaw ko ng word nga risk, kung doon na kay kwarta na gibutang. Pero kung wala kay kwarta nga gibutang, asa man ang risk go? So, X, di ba? Wala. It's zero risk. Kay wala man kay kwarta nga gibutang. So where can you find a business na zero risk? Dili ra sa DPPI. Tama? Okay. Next question. Ingon si Michelle, basin mas scam or basin dili mo grow ang atong business? Ako na ning natubag, no? Mas scam ra ka kung doon na kay kwartang ibutang. Kung wala kay kwartang ibutang, di ka mas scam. Ang business mo grow kung imo siyang imong trabahoon. Pero kung dili nimo trabahoon, dili po na siya mo grow. Sama ra sa tanom na dili nimo bisbisan, patay jud. Tama? Then ingon si Oppo A12, wala sila'y tarong nga plan, sir. Good news! DPPI have a very strong marketing plan. In fact, sa nagkandalain-lain nga mga realty firm sa gawas, walay klaro nga marketing plan. It is only DPPI has a clear stairs and ladder of success na marketing plan. In fact, kanang atong marketing plan di na pwedeng mabend. No one is above our marketing plan. Even I myself. Okay? Si Glycel ningon siya malugi. Again, ako na answer. Malugi ra ta kung doon natay kwartang gibutang, pero kung walay kwartang gibutang, di kita malugi. Si Realme siya mahadlok mabankrupt. Mabankrupt ra ta kung doon natay kwartang gibutang. Pero kung wala kay kwartang gibutang, para pag-join ani nga negosyo, pero di ka mabankrupt. Kay wa man kay kwartang gibutang. Si Maricel ningon siya, lack of knowledge and confidence and fear of responsibility. I'll answer that. The moment you will join with us here in DPPI, there are so many trainings that are available. Every developer dunay available nga training offline and face-to-face. Dinhi sa DPPI dunay training offline and face-to-face. Now, walay lain nga pag-acquire sa knowledge except sa pag-attend sa mga trainings and seminar. So kung dili ka mo attend, murag wa ko'y mabuhat ana para magka-knowledge ka. The only way na magka-knowledge ka is the moment kahibalo ka na you need to make yourself available. Show up. Show up. Pakita. Attend. There you can get the knowledge. Pag doon na kay knowledge, confident ka. Pag wala kay knowledge, dili ka confident. Tama? Or perting saktuha. Di ba? Then ako i-answer ang fear of responsibility. Abi nimo, sa bisan asang endeavor sa kinabuhi, kung dili ka responsable, dili gyud ka mo succeed. Kung dili ka responsable sa pamilya, dili ka mo succeed sa imong family life. Kung dili ka responsable sa imong trabaho, maputbol ka. So bisag asang anggulo sa atong kinabuhi, dili gyud pwedeng dili ka mahimong responsable. Dapat responsable ka. So kana nga bahin, murag dili na gikan diri nako. Ikaw ang mo decide ana na dapat responsible ko. Okay? So sa tanaw nako sa question ni Miss Mars, check na ta ana. Okay? Kay Razel, basin mahurot rag utang especially og sari-sari store. Well, the good news is we are not a sari-sari store, and the other good news is that walay utang dinhi. Kaya ang naa dinhi is loan. Dili man ikaw ang nagpa-loan. Ang bangko ang nagpa-loan, ang pag-ibig nagpa-loan. So wala kay gipa-utang. Ang imuha diri mo dawat ra ka sa komisyon. So mura kining question ni Razel, check na sa tadiya dapita. Si Tekno, dili pa sakto ang kahibalo. Mao na to akong gitubag, no? Daghan kay tag training. In fact, tomorrow night, doon natay training alas 8 sa Zoom. So dapat dili yung ka-absent Techno Spark. Nga? Katong niingon og knowledge, ayaw jud mo absent. Kay knowledge man na. Daghan kaayo. In fact, ugma duha na ay SMDC nga training o na naapoy ato ang training sa DPPI. So pili lang mo. Magdungan, parehag yung oras. Ato alas 8 sa SMDC, 8:30. Oh. You see, there are so many available training. Ang kulang ra no, ikaw na mo attend. That's the only thing that is kulang. Si John Ray, ningon siya, ganahan silang easy money, mo nandi mo take sa risk sa business. Ako simple nga tubag ani Sir John, The Bible says, he who gathers little by little makes it grow. So meaning, the Bible, even the Bible itself, says that there is no business that is easy money. It has to be little by little na imo siyang ipag-grow. Okay? So, yan. So, pa next question. Si Cyrene, ngun siya competition. Abi ni mo, wala pa ko'y nakita nga negosyo na walay competition. Bisan ang illegal kanang shabu, dunay competition. So the competition, simple ra kayo. Para nako. Just do your best. Deliver with excellence. You will be able to fight competition. No? So, unsa may angay buhaton? Trabaho, trabaho, trabaho. Nya butangig excellence. Okay? So, I think wala naman siguro, no? Mahadlok nga dili matarong og manage maong mahadlok mag-business. Well, the good news, real me, is that we have a management team. We have a management team under the leadership of our managing broker, Mr. Boy Roylo, which is a CPA, and at the same time real estate broker na maoy mo manage atong business for us. We have the president and CEO. We have the vice president. We have the business office manager that will manage the business para sa toa. Grabe no? Burag na atay swinilduan para mo manage. So kining question na, wala na, check na, di ba? So next, maong 2026 dili na jud makigman ki business na. Yan, wala na no, malugi. I think na-answer na nako tanan. Okay. Si Jundel, wala pa gani nag-start, nag-una-una na og wala na. Okay, there's no more question, no? Okay. So I guess I have answered practically all the reason pasensya ra jud ang kailangan. Yes, okay? So practically I have answered all the reason why people really have to start, why they are afraid to start a business. So today, or right now, I would like to share to you how are we going to start, how are you going to start your own business. Okay? Kasi aning kwaoning nagsulat ani gamay ha. Okay. So how to start your own business? Let's begin. The question yun actually is unsa ang imong buhaton. No, mo man gud na no? After ka mag-attend sa usa ka seminar, maglibog man ka daghang kay kag yunahon na, but the real question actually is unsa man jud ang akong buhaton? What would I do in order for me to start this business? Now there are only 4 things that you're going to do here. Number 1 is PKS. Now you have here on your screen PKS, site tour, events, and trainings. Now let's begin with PKS. PKS means Project Knowledge Seminar. Everything begins with the knowledge. Kung wala kay nakamahuan, wala kay nakatunan, dili yung ka makabaligya 100%. So the only time na makabaligya ka is the moment do na kay idea. And asa man ka magkuha og idea, makakuha kag idea kung mo-attend ka og PKS, Project Knowledge Seminar. Now do make yourself available. Now, ang PKS available na halos kada adlaw sa mga developers. Ang kinahanglan lang ang imuhang presensya. Parehas ganina. Ganina dunay PKS sa primary homes. Daghan og project ang primary homes, so kung ni-attend ka ganina, then doon na kay knowledge sa ilahang project. So makabaligya ka sa ilahang project. Second is site tour. Imposible mang makabaligya ka sa usa ka butang na ikaw mismo wala ka katultol. Tama? So, usa ka makabaligya sa maong property, dapat ikaw mismo nakatultol o nakakita ka. Now, dili man pwede ako ang mubuhat anak. Di ba? Dili pod pwede ang apply nimo ang mabuhat ana, ikaw gyud mismo ang mabuhat ana. Inig-attend nimo PKS, mukuyog sad ka og site tour para do na kay knowledge og nakakita sad ka kung asa ang project. So, bingo, makahalin jud ka. Next, para do na kay idea para unsaon nimo ang pagpamaligya, mo attend kag training. Naay training available sa developer, napoy training na atong ginahatag dinhi sa DPPI. Gani ugma do natay training. But ang question kay dili man ka mo attend. Ang question kay daghan man kag rason nganong di ka mo attend. Kesyo wa kay time, kesyo busy ka. So maglisod ko og tabang sa tao na dili gustong magpatabang. So if you wanted to succeed in this business, then you have to make yourself available. Di ba? You've got to be there. You've got to attend training. Bisag kapila pa kakakaraan, bisag ikaw pa ang 001, ikaw pa ang pinakauna nga member aning kumpanyaha, attend og training. Dili gyud ka pwede na moingon ka na nakamaon ako ani. Because ang pagkat-on aning negosyoha every day in our life na, no? Continuous learning jud na, no? Continuous learning. Make yourself available every day. No? And the last one is you attend events. Ano importante mang events? Because ang events will give you the perspective kung unsa ka nindot o unsa ka dako ang industry na naa ka. Nagyapila nimo ba? Ikaw mismo, you will feel the motivation and you will feel the excitement. Then ikaw mismo maingon sa imong self, I like this business. Okay? So mao ra ni ang upat ka butang na imong pagabuhaton. Then solve na ta. You're ready. But again, you've got to make yourself available. Okay? So in here, you will be ready for the selling. Ang nakanindot lang karon kay ang selling karon dili na pareha sa una na manuktok kag balay. Manuktok ka og mga opisina. Doon na natay mga social media platforms. Now, ato siyang gamiton in order for you to promote whatever project you wanted to promote. Pero ang question lang ani, kay perti man natong tapulana mo post. Maka-post og kausa gusto dayon na halin ugma. Diba? So, my suggestion is do it consistently. Ayaw hunong hangto dili ka makahalin. Kung wala pa ka makahalin, din ayaw hunong. Kay kung muhunong ka, samot na di ka kahalin. Diba? So the good news is, nanatay online pa nga, online platform. The other one is, in the moment mamaligya ta, daghan tag pwedeng ibaligya. Daghan man tag mga project na doon ay mga lisensya. House and lot, condo, or lote na ay lisensya, memorial garden o condo 12. Ikaw na lang ang mopili kung unsa ang gusto nimong ibaligya. Okay? Ingon ana kadaghan. The other one is mag-build ka sa imuhang team. Ang rason nga nung naa ka karon tonight, ni appeal ka, because kanang person na nag-invite ni mo, mauna ang nag-build sa iyahang team. So kung gusto ka na makaangkon og usa ka passive na income, dapat mag-build kag usa ka team nga dako gyud kaayo. Kay kini ang imong team, mao ni ang imuhang passive income na source. Mao ni ang imuhang business na imong gi-build karon, mao ni ang imong gipatubo, mao ni imong gipadako, na one day ining mamunga ni, mao ni ang maghatag nimo og continuous flow of income. Okay? So unsaon man nimo pag-build sa imong team? By recruiting people into the business. Ana lang ka simple. And that is the reason why we have seminars like this that will help you build your business. Okay? So, the question now is, sige Joff, tanaw na to. Unsaon man ako pagkakwarta anang negosyoha? Oh, so akong pagahisgutan karon. Now, the moment you start, the moment na maka-decide ka you wanted to join with us here in the business, everybody begins as a property liaison specialist. Now, your rate at this time is 2.5%. Therefore, kung imo siyang kwintahon, kung makabaligya kag usa ka million nga worth of property, na kay 25,000 nga commission. Now, wala may magic aning pagpamaligya, no? Kugi ra gyud ni siya. So kung makabaligya ka og 2 million, that's 50,000. Mabaligya kag 3 million, 75,000. Makabaligya kag 4 million, 100,000. And so on and so forth. By the way, ang akong buhaton karon is just an overview of the marketing plan. You need to attend to the detailed training on the marketing plan. No? Kaya dili man ni nato siya ma-cover in one setting. Ang ako nang buhaton karon, that's just an overview that will give you the potential income of the business. But you need to attend my training on the marketing plan. Don't worry, it will be announced as well. Okay? Now, that is your entry level. But we don't want you to stay there. We want you to climb the ladder of success. Now, as you climb the ladder of DPPI success, you get to enjoy this potential income as you build your team bigger and bigger. So one day, you will become a supervisor. Pag na-supervisor ka, you will have a rate of 3% and you will have a potential income of 75,000 pesos. Then, the possibility as you climb higher, you will become a manager. Your rate would be at 3.5% and your potential income would be at 235,000 pesos per month. And lastly, being a consultant, the highest rank in our organization, your rate will now be at 4% and your potential income will now be 500,000 pesos every month. I don't know about you, but every time I look at this opportunity, I cannot help myself being excited. Ayaw kalimot ha, attend on my detailed training on the marketing plan. Mauni ang gidakon sa opportunity na naata. But before ko nako ni i-close ang karon nga kagabhion, I would like to ask someone to share a short story for us, no, a short testimony, mga 1 minute or 2 siguro, na iyang i-share ang iyahang success story dinhi pag-join niya sa DPPI. So I would like to give you the floor ni Miss Judita Pabuaya, no? Juday, share us your story.
Okay. Hello, wait mag-open ko cam.
Open na imong cam.
Wait. Pwede raw ulit cam, sir?
Pag-cam lang, kana, nana kay cam kanina.
Wait, sir.
Kana, nana.
Abirap na.
Okay, go.
Okay, good evening everyone. Sa nakaila o nakailan ako no, kay ako dahil si Judita Pabuaya, or you can just call me Judy or any as you can. So, by the way, nag-started ko sa akong journey sa real estate since 2016. So, since 2026 na, I'm doing this business 14 years. But imagine, anang nga 10 years, grabe ang struggles, challenges, because sometimes, dili jud tanan nga perfect ang pagpamaligya, no? As Sergio Friend said earlier, no? Na, dili sad pwede nga walay mga challenges atong pagpamaligya since this is a business. But, nag-start ko ani nga business, zero jud ko, there is no knowledge, there is no experience, so, I don't know what is real estate, but I'm trying to attend because one of my friend invited me to join real estate. But wala siya ni padayon, ako lang. So, nag-start ko nga, ako lang usa jud, mo na nga ako ra sa training ni Sir Job. So, happy lang ko anang opportunity, no, kay nga naman, one reason nga nung nag-stay ko sa real estate, mao to ni Sir Joffrey, no, nga maura ni nga business nga no need of investment, no need capital, which is only your time, your effort. So, maura din na siya. So, grabe kanindot yun nga opportunity. Dali yun ako nakita nga grabe yun ang opportunity sa real estate industry. So, mao to nga, wala po yung nagbaligya dayon ko pag join ako. No? Sa kong gibuhat, nag-attend ko training, seminars, nag-learn ko, nag-stock ko og knowledge and how to do with my own na nga kumbaga makalupad na ka ba just like an eagle without anyone with you ba nga makahandle ka clients, how to close deal the sales. It's not easy, oy, kay labi first time ka no, makulbaan ka, pero ako nagkuan jud ko strength nga makaya na ko kay nanam ko yung knowledge. So grabe ko mo attend sa una kay grabe ang mga trainings ko. Like right now good nga full gyud ta sa kayo ta sultihan ta mo swerte ta sa ato realty kay kumpleto ta sa tanan nga mga trainings kay daghan mi kog mastorya pud no nga realty no mo na siya nga mo sakto gid ni Sir Job no nga ang pagtatapulan naman lang gid nato mo appeal mo may bayad pud ang mga training so sakto even eligible na ka even dugay na ka kinahanglan jud kay malingap ka mo ni reality mo na karon 2026 mag-start jud ko na gyud og kuan mo mag-join na sad ko. And then, grabe ba ako struggle, not only financial, not only kanang, number one yun akong health. Nga kanang kalimatsyon na ka ba? But never come up my mind to quit this and the stay to this business. You know why? Dako dyan kong team before. And then during nagmasakit ko sa akong hyperthyroidism 1 year, almost 2 years like that, nakatabang yun ako ang override. I received weekly override commission that time. So, mana siya nga, kung na kay team, I believe yun nga, dako jud kay tabang ang override commission except your personal sales. So, mo na nga, ako rin jud ika-advise sa inyo ha, sa mga newly invite diri mag-join jud mo sa mga trainings o seminar kat-only ninyo then attend mo og PKS kay dako jud kay na siyang tabang sa mga projects sa developers no kay ang atong pag-sales dako jud kayo siya challenge like my sales last few days nga grabe ang struggle ato kay nakuha na gyud si client ato gipangsindan ni mga balaod kay nasayop ang paghatag og sample computation kay instead of ang unit is 9.1. So, na-split man sa office diri sa EPM, gi-split man niya as parking and unit. So, dako kay difference, no? So, grabe ang struggle niya. Na-forward naman ako sa client. So, which is akong client, foreigner ba yan, no? So, di siya din na nakalalim, but ako dyan siya di-revive. Wala ako katulgi. Kaya nga, no, very ano man siya, kanang sure buyer man yun. So, wala ko di katulgan fix ang problem, nagpa-help ko sa mga BMO. So, thanks God, number one yun ang prayer. Ako jud ingnan si Lord nga sa akong pagkatawhanon, di gini nako makaya, but I need your help to solve this problem. Nga akong client mo go kay grabe man jud siya, kuan gyud siya, excited man siya gid nga mo palit. So, thanks God kay na kuan jud siya na revive. So, God is good jud all the time. So, prayer, confidence, and then consistent, maura gyud na siya, and then trainings and seminars. So, ayaw gyud mag-quit kay one day makita gyud ninyo ang inyong result. So, mao gyud na akong ikastorya gyud ninyong tanan ug daghang kayong salamat ug may gabi.
Thank you, Juday, no, for sharing your story with us. So, let's continue, no? One day, your story will be told as well. Huh? So, if you think that this business is for you, now you can ask the person who invited you for the link so that you can fill up the affiliation form, the affiliate form. It is online. After you fill it up, just attach a one valid ID. Then you can start selling and you can start building your business by recruiting people. So, think of it and make a strong decision na no turning back ba because there are so many success stories here and who knows your story will be the next. Okay, so after you decided to join, process your ID, just ask your sales consultant or the person who invited you para the moment you start selling, the moment na siyempre online man ta no, di man nato malikayan na usahay mangutana ang ato ang mga inquiry kung legit ba ta. So at least you have something that you can show to them. No, the normal raman ng mangutana kung legit ba. So at least ato lang pakiton. So process your ID right away. And for you to be updated always within the loop with our company, please follow and like our official page, no, D8.18 Premier Properties Incorporated. Exactly kining naa sa inyong screen karon. So please make sure you will follow it para naay mga announcement diha, seminars or whatever, you will be notified, no? Kaysa kadaghan na to lain-lain, no, na Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao, dili man maato na to og pahibaw except through our social media channel. Okay? And that's it, no? I ended up my presentation, and if ever you have question, I still have 5 minutes left before the hour of 9 to answer your question. Okay? So, it's now open, no? Ako lang ning i-ups-us ang slide ha kay para makita tatanan. So, do you have questions? Anybody would like to ask question o kung nauwaw man lang, pwede ra jud i-type, no? Pwede ra jud ibutang diha sa chat box if ever. Kaya usahay magiawawon ra basad ta.
No, sir. No, sir. Okay na yun, sir.
Okay na. O, si Gerald, no? Gerald, taga-asa ka, Gerald?
Sa Cebu, sir.
Taga Cebu. Sige, ma'am, may question? The question is, naa ba mo'y branch ari sa Cebu? Our office is only in Lapu-Lapu City. This is where we converge, and most of the time naa diha ang ato ang transaction sa most of the time kung natin training na sa atong opisina or kung dili diri sa atong Zoom room. Now, ang office manggod kay dili kung doon na mo'y kliyente, dili manggod mo moadto sa office sa DPPI. Kung doon na kay kliyente, moadto manggod ka sa office sa developer. For example, doon ay napilian nga balay ang imuhang kliyente. Unya ang napilian niya nga balay gidevelop ni Cebu Landmaster. Kana nga balay, kung gusto siya ana, dili man ka mo ari sa opisina sa D818. Adto man ka mo adto sa opisina sa Cebu Landmaster. So therefore, dili siya needed na naatay opisina within Cebu City. Kay wala man kay transaction didto except sa pag-claim og commission. Unya ang commission kay ginapadala naman lang na nato online. No? So if you wanted to visit, then you can just go to our corporate office, and it is located here in Lapu-Lapu City. Si Sheila Sanchez. Hello kanang if
Sir.
ever. Sige Gerald.
Saan? Asa rapita sa Lapu-Lapu, sir?
We are in Basak, Lapu-Lapu City. We are in Deca Homes 5. No? So you can ask, kitsa gi-invite nimo Gerald. So you pwede ka niya mag-guide in going there.
Junilyn Villegas.
Si Junilyn, so magpa-guide lang ka ni Junilyn, ibutang man ka sa group chat, then asa man ka dapita di ay sa Cebu, naka sa Cebu?
Na diri sa kuan po, sir, sa Dika 5. Dapit.
Naara sa Block 15, Lot 38.
Nara diri, sir.
Nara diha. Si Sheila Sanchez, silo kanang if ever successful na sa training, na by observation period sa mga newly recruits or wala ra? This is not employment. Everyone here is a freelance, so there's nothing to observe here. Kay for the purpose of madawat baka or dili madawat. So meaning you just have to pace it up yourself, no? So nothing to worry about that. So ikaw jud ang mo pace mo kagalingon. Si Technospark, sir, asa man ko nga site mo fill up sa form para ID kay wala koy invitor. Wala invitor. Diin man ka nakakuha og link para maka-join today, sir. So naadyo katong nag-send nimo og Zoom link, mo to'y ga-invite nimo. Tanan nga ni join dinhi, gihatagan na siya og Zoom link. Katong gahatag sa Zoom link, mo to'y ga-invite. So walay ni attend dinhi for sure na walay nag-invite. So in your case, sir, katong gahatag sa imuha og Zoom link mao toy ga-invite. Baliki lang siya na siya link ana. Hello po sir, good evening. What if sir makabenta ka ng house and lot? Asa nimo makuha imong commission? The commission will be released from the 818, but the release of the commission will be dependent on the terms of the developer. Now, the details of that, Angela, you will be able to know that the moment mag-attend ka og PKS. PKS, Project Knowledge Seminar, na i-handle sa developer. After mag-explain sila sa usa ka project, at the end ana nila, kaila nang i-discuss ang about sa commission. So dito, i-detalye na nila ang mga mode of releases. So imo lang i-take note kung unsa ang mga mode of releases. Then, kana based ana nga mode of releases, mao po na pag-release nato dinhi from the PPI. So maglain-lain lang in every developer, kay lain-lain man sila og mode of releases. Si Regine, hello sir, naamoy branch sa Dumaguete. We have a team in Dumaguete. In fact, on Saturday, yes, Saturday at 1 o'clock, they will have a seminar in Bethel Hotel, Dumaguete. No? So, muadto lang ka sa Bethel Hotel Regine, Bethel Hotel Dumaguete, 1 a.m. and you can join the seminar in there. In fact, our managing broker is there as well, no? Si Mr. Herminihildo Ruelo is in Dumaguete, based in Dumaguete, lived in Dumaguete. Okay? So ang atong managing broker wala na diri sa Cebu ha, naa sa Dumaguete. Si Angela, sa Cagayan de Oro, there are group of people there headed by Imelda Risi. I still don't know their schedule, but actually ang uban sa ilaha is attending here in the online. Now, just refer to your upline, Angela, para iya kang i-connect sa team sa Cagayan de Oro. Kaya doon na may group chat ang Cagayan de Oro nga team. So, ask your upline para ma-add ka dito sa group chat sa Cagayan de Oro team. Kay ang team na to, organic man gunita na, no? Bisan pag magbutang tag opisina, wala gyud mo atos opisina kay tuwa sa gawas tanan, tuwa sa developer. So what we did is an organic group. So you ask Angela ang imuhang ga-invite nimo para ma-add ka dito sa group chat sa Cagayan de Oro. So you will be in the loop of the schedule. Si Tekno, no, katong naghatag sa imuha og link, Zoom link, Tekno, maotoy nag-invite nimo. Tan-awa lang sa Messenger, for sure gisend man na dito. Okay? So, are we good? Okay. Now, tomorrow, I would just like to announce, tomorrow there would be a training at 8 o'clock in the evening, still. Same Zoom link that we will be using, no? Okay, that's a permanent Zoom link man nato. So, it's gonna be at 8 o'clock. Hope you're gonna be there. And let's energize ourselves for that day. So we're plotting out all of the training. We have Friday training and we have Monday training. It's gonna be a 1 week filled with training. So it's gonna be more on Zoom because we believe man gud daghan man gud sa tuwa kay kanang mga part-timers ba. And the only way that they are available is ini kagabi na. And that's the reason why we have the 8 o'clock Zoom. Mas mo prefer mi ani because 70% of our members here are part-timers. Na? Okay? So thank you very much for your time and hope to see you. By the way, every Tuesdays and every Thursdays, that is a day wherein we present our business. So you can invite new recruits. Tuesdays and Thursdays at 8 o'clock. And that's regular schedule. Okay? Thank you very much and God bless you all. Bye!